Hello people, Simon speaking. In this video tutorial I will show you another third method how you can use the surfaces, because it doesn't have only one possibility or second possibility, it has multiple possibilities how you can use this tool. I published many video tutorials for YouTube, but today I will show you another possibility. Okay, I will use two planes. I will subdivide. I think I will need to copy plane in edit mode. I will turn on orthographic viewport. Shift D. We will copy plane because I want to connect together. Guess what? How I will be connecting this? I will show you in a minute. Because you can bridge and you can blend polygons even by using this tool. This is only one polygon. This is what we need. And I will delete this and I will select my picker, our polygon. Blended polygon. Okay, I will save because I think I will need another file just in case. I wish I saved it right now. I should use different scene, but that's fine. Okay, I will add it to the scene curve. Bezier curve. And we will do the same step. You have to turn snapping on. You have to deselect those options and select option closest. Select this gray round shape circle and move to this location. But because our curve isn't perfect, I will have to rotate. You can see interpolations between polygon. We can decrease this up to 4 interpolation. Okay, after that I can select the object and we will copy. I think I should snap once again. You can see orange circle inside. That means it is, we snapped this properly. Shift S cursor to selected and select the curve by pressing the button dot. Select more. You should see shortcut keywords. Grow selection or select more. You can see dot. Shift, I think I have to turn this on. Shift D. Shift D. And as far I know, they should be polygons, polygon points. They should be, they should have vertices selected properly, I believe. And after that we can switch again, and you have to select the curve by using picker tool. And now you can see what I done. You see beautiful smooth transition between polygon. This polygon belongs to this object. It's automatically welded because I told you this tool has large possibilities. I didn't show you everything, and after, when I remind everything, I will show you some other interesting possibilities of this tool. I hope you like my video tutorial, guys. See you, have a nice day.